Hello mga kaibigan, samahan niyo po akong i-unbox yung binili kong computer. So I bought this one just now, earlier. After my work, I go straight to Easy Search and buy computer, so I bought this one. So this is the computer that I bought. So we have to open up. Open up. Yan. So this is good for editing. There. Wow. It's an Acer. It's a Master Uplay. What is this? Planets. Okay, guys. So I still having my uniform. I'm still wearing, I should say. I just came from work and I go straight to the search store and bought this Acer laptop. Oh my, I broke it. I broke it again. Janine, why it's hard to open it? There we go. There we go. This is so hard to open. There. So, Karan. So this is the what is something like leaflet. And these are the plugs. See the plugs for the computer. There. Here the plug. And the other one here. You see my hand is very dirty. See the plugging. So let's put them here first. Put aside. I'm usually gonna use that later on. So there you go. It's not big. It's just for YouTube. I bought this for YouTube. So these are all the leaflet. So Windows 10s, learn more. Windows 10s. Is this correct? Did I buy the right one? Okay. Note computer is a notebook computer. Okay, just for my YouTube. There for editing. There you go. So how I'm gonna use it? It shows everything here. I have a warranty. This is international. So we have to open up. Let's open up this one. I need some opening. I think there is only the how you gonna use it. Yeah. How you gonna use it? So even this one is hard to open. Why everything's so hard? I need to open this. I need some like, see, right? The plastic in here. I have to open up. There we go. So this is the international warranty. So I have my warranty here. All this in here, all the warranty. Passport is a warranty passport. Yes. So we have a warranty here. Okay, so we put aside. And there, jaran! So it has the foam to make sure the computer is safe. This is the safety things. And then I have to open up my new laptop. Jaran! It's not that big. It's just good for. You have to open up. Dang, 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 dang. There you go. So this is my notebook computer. So look at that. Can we read that? There you go. Ta-da. You can read for me. And this, ta-da. And then, yes, I didn't buy the Apple because my son told me that Apple is not good for editing or for the videos. So here, Aspire, Acer Aspire. So guys, look at this. It's very clean. Yeah. So we have to plug it. We have to try first. So, where is the plug? I have to go that side. So this is the plug. So I need to plug in here, right? But first thing I have to read before plugging it. So this computer, what all of this is inside. It has you have to see here. So model N19C1. So detective video 2011-65 was Bluetooth operation frequency, radio frequency. There to begin fixing. Okay guys, so we have to follow the guidelines. We have to check first before installing it. From store, you will need a Microsoft account to purchase. So this laptop is, I don't know what to tell you about this laptop, but I'm sure that this is 526 gigabyte and on 5 core, iCore 5, and I think 8 hours battery, live battery, something like that. I'm not sure. Yes. Okay. So Windows 10. So this is Windows 10. That's all guys. That's all folks that I can share it to you. What this is all about. Okay. So this is all guys what I can say about my new laptop, my new notebook laptop. It's very light. It's just a notebook computer. Yay! I can start now downloading all my videos. Okay. All right. That's all, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping me open my laptop to unboxing it. Thank you for helping me, accompany me to unbox it. Okay, bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Cherry tomato. Cherry tomato po yung nakapatong. Parang grapes, no? Yan, ito na siya. Naka-open na ako. Yung bagong laptop. Thank you po. Salamat sa panonood.